Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw the topics. In this video we are going to discuss about lambda expressions. So lambda expressions are this kind of code which gives us which gives us a flexibility to write some concise code or short code. So the very first statement says it's a short block of code which takes in parameters and returns a value. Okay. And lambda expression is they are similar to methods, but they do not need any name, and they can be implemented right in the body of a method. How? Let's first of all understand what's its like the way how do we write lambda expressions. So when we say lambda, like if you want to write a simplest lambda expressions, so we can write in this way. The syntax is parameter, arrow, and the expression. That's how we write parameters, then hyphen or dash sign, and then greater than expression. So we call this arrow sign, okay? And then the expression, whatever you want to write in that code, that can be done. So this can be the simplest lambda expression, like parenthesis. Right now it's blank because we don't have any parameter here. Then this arrow sign, then my expression. So right now I don't want any complex. A simplest expression could be printing something like this, simply saying system.out.println and just giving a message. Yep, don't forget to do this thing. It's required here. Okay. Apart from that, if we have more than one parameter, so how to do that? So okay, it was for single parameter, so I can have like int a, and then I can print that a right here, right? So that's how we can use lambda expression for single parameter. We can have a parenthesis and pass your parameter, or if you have more than one parameter, so parameter 1, parameter 2, and then write your expression. Okay, again we are just looking at a simple syntax. Later we will keep evolving it. Second syntax could be if you have more than one parameter, so parenthesis parameter 1 like int a, parameter 2 int b, and my expression again having a simplest expression which says system.out.println a plus b. So that's how we can write a lambda expression. These are some simplest examples. Okay, let's learn the same in next print image in a more simplest way. Okay, so when we see lambda expressions, so we have parenthesis, arrow sign, and then we have wrap to let's suppose this has no arg. Okay, no parameter required. Okay, when we have no parameter, so parenthesis remains empty, and we can write our expression. So here I want to write this out something. Okay, done. It simply prints it. Or if we want to use some other features or a functionality, so like the same syntax, same thing can be written in this way as well. Parenthesis, arrow bracket, put a curly brace, and then we can have this statement again as well. Copy and paste it. Okay, that's just messed up. Let's cut, paste again. Okay, so here we can write the same statement in curly braces as well. So this or this both are same. What's the difference? We are using curly braces. So when we use curly brace, when we have more than one statement. Right now it was just one statement, so you can write even without curly brace. But if you want, you can have curly brace as well. But usually when we have more than one line in our implementation or in our expression, we tend to use curly braces. Okay, that's done. What else? If we have some arguments, let's suppose I have a method, let's say add. So if there's a method add, so how I can write its lambda expression? So first of all I need two arguments, right? So add method could be like this: add int a comma int b, and then I can simply say curly braces. That's the simplest way of writing any add method in core Java language. And here I can say out, then a plus b. Yep, that's how we can write a method. What about its lambda expression? So parenthesis, it needs two variables, so int a comma int b, and arrow sign, then curly brace, and this can go as it is. copy it, paste it here. So what we have here, we have a implementation of this add method in a lambda expression way. So method name is removed. See, there is no method name, just the type, and it's this is the way of writing any lambda expression for a particular method. What if we want to enhance it? So the same lambda expression can be written in this way as well. Compiler is now smart enough in Java 8 which can actually understand your type. It can get the type without you have to writing it explicitly. So I can simply say a comma b and then this, and rest of the code can be written in the same way, like this way. Copy it, paste it. Yep, working. Again, we can also enhance it one more level. Since we have just one statement, so what I can do, I can have the same code, like I can copy this, paste it. So a comma b, that is required, at least you need to mention the variable, but curly brace is not required because it's just a one statement. So I can write the same statement in this way as well. Okay, done. So see, initially if you have to write any add method, typically you have to write this way in your Java code, right? Method name, your parameters names, then your operation. When it comes to lambda expression, we can write it this way without writing any method name. It can be done. Further, because we are in Java 8 and compiler is smart enough, it can detect your types. So you don't have to give the type. How does it knows? We will see. How does it know whether it's going to be A or B? We will see. But for now, just stay with the that it can understand the type. So you don't have to give the types here. Just give the variable name like A comma B and sys out it to print. One more thing we can do, since it's just a one expression in our implementation, so no need of curly brace. We did the same here, right? So it can be done in one line. So this is the ultimate lambda expression for this add method. So we will see one more implement like example in next video. So thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in next. Bye bye.